Welcome to CodeChef. Today we are exploring breadth first search, or BFS, in a graph. In BFS, we traverse the graph level by level. Here, our graph consists of nodes 1, 2, 3, and 4 with 5 connecting edges. We begin at node 2 and explore its neighbors, then the neighbors of those neighbors, until all reachable nodes are visited. First, we add our starting node, node 2, to the queue and mark it as visited. Notice the highlighted lines that set up our starting point for the traversal. Next, we remove the front node from the queue, which is node 2, and print it. The highlighted lines here are used to take node 2 out of the queue and process it. Now, we examine node 2's neighbors. The loop checks each neighbor. In our graph, node 2 connects to nodes 1 and 3, both of which are added to the queue and marked as visited. Then, the next step is processing node 1. As shown, we remove node 1 from the queue and print it. We then explore its neighbors. Although node 1 connects to nodes 2, 3, and 4, nodes 2 and 3 have already been visited. Therefore, only node 4 is new and is added to the queue. Watch as the corresponding lines are highlighted while this happens. Next, we process node 3. The 3 is dequeued and printed. When checking node 3's neighbors, we see that nodes 1, 2, and 4 are already visited, so nothing new is added. Finally, node 4 is processed, removed, and printed. Its neighbors, node 1 and node 3, have both been visited, so the traversal is complete as the queue becomes empty. At the end of the traversal, the nodes have been visited in this order: 2, 1, 3, 4. The highlighted code sections directly correspond to each step of our BFS algorithm as we moved level by level through the graph. That's how BFS works in our example. Starting from node 2, visiting its neighbors, and then processing each level until every connected node is explored. Thank you for joining us on CodeChef today. Keep exploring and happy coding.